Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to earn fast on Freecash using a PC. Let's get started. First, open any browser on your computer, go to the Freecash website and log into your account. Now, let's get straight to the best ways to earn fast. The number one way to earn fast on Freecash is by doing offers. Click on the offer section at the top. Here you will see games, apps and tasks that pay higher rewards. Choose high paying offers first. Always read the instruction carefully and complete all steps or you won't get paid. Next is game offers. They are very popular and pay well. Install the game, reach the required level and make sure tracking is enabled on a browser. Another way is to click on service tab and answer correctly and honestly. Don't rush or you may get disqualified and waste time. Now here is an important tip. Log in every day. Daily streaks, bonuses and leaderboards give you free coins just for being active. Make sure your account stays safe and trusted. Don't use VPNs, don't use multiple accounts and always follow the rules. And that's it. That's how you earn fast on Freecash using a PC. That's all for today's video guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like. Subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.